Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. U.S. beef cow herd expansion used to follow a dependable cycle. Peaks and troughs in breeding cow inventories always came in 10-year intervals. However, periods of drought in key cow-calf producing regions muted the beef cycle over the last 20 years. Rather than seeing expansion at the midpoint of the previous decade, the beef cow herd mostly maintained inventory. As the calendar turned to 2010, extreme drought led to rapid liquidation. U.S. beef industry participants have been anxious for an opportunity to expand, and early signs of herd growth are appearing. Before expansion begins, herd contraction has to slow, and beef cow slaughter in recent weeks is showing considerable year-over-year declines. Since July, beef cow slaughter has declined 6,700 head per week compared to 2012. That 10.6% decline has led to 74,000 fewer beef cows slaughtered compared to the previous year. This fall has also shown that cow-calf producers are keeping more heifers on the farm. Over the last 9 weeks, heifers as a percent of all USDA-reported feeder cattle and calf sales have declined 2.6 percentage points. This suggests that beef replacement heifer numbers will be about 150,000 head larger on January 1st, 2014 compared to the previous year. These numbers are some of the earliest beef herd inventory indicators available. Margins are certainly favorable in most cow-calf producing regions, and better weather in the coming 2 or 3 years will lead to some of the best cow herd expansion opportunities in recent history. CattleFax models suggest these trends will lead to herd stabilization in 2013 and mild herd expansion in the coming year. That should lead to a larger cow herd going into 2015 and later years. Fed cattle prices were steady in the south at $126 per hundredweight. Values in the north were steady to weaker on a live basis at $125 to $126. Dressed values were $1 weaker, with the bulk of trade occurring at $198 to $199 per hundredweight. Feeder cattle values were $2 to $4 higher this week, while calves were steady to as much as $5 per hundredweight higher. Demand for weaned calves improved in the South and Central Plains, with turnout time rapidly approaching for winter grazing programs. Slaughter cow prices were steady to $1 higher this week amid good buyer demand, and in the absence of USDA reporting, the Urner Barry yellow sheep box beef quote on Thursday's close was anywhere from 70 cents to $1 per hundredweight higher for choice and select boxes respectively. Corn prices traded lower this week after the USDA grain stocks report on Monday showed higher carryover stocks than market participants anticipated. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.